Hey guys, we have here a digital combination lock. In this case, this is the Micro IQ. And in this video, we want to explain to you how to successfully lock as well as unlock this combination lock. Okay, so at this point, the lock is here in the locked position. So we can't pull out the drawer. So we have to rotate the knob here clockwise as far as it goes. And then at this point, we can now open this drawer. Now if you were to try to lock this by just rotating the knob counterclockwise again, then we're getting here the red exclamation mark. So this doesn't work. Now in order to lock it successfully, while we still have the knob rotated all the way clockwise, at that point we're going to type in our custom 4-digit code. And then we have to immediately rotate the knob counterclockwise as far as it goes in order for it to lock. But if we do this too slowly, there is going to be another error message and it's not going to allow us to lock this. So this means we do have to type in our PIN one more time and immediately now lock it. And then you see here we get the green light and the lock is now secured, and only with our PIN can we open it. So you see now we cannot pull out the drawer at this time as well as rotate the knob anymore. And at this point we do need the correct combination in order to unlock this. So you see right now we just typed in the wrong key, the wrong pin, then it's just not going to open. But also if we do happen to enter the correct key and we don't immediately rotate the knob clockwise, then it is going to lock again and we can't open it again. So now we type in the correct key and immediately rotate the knob and we successfully unlocked our drawer here and we have access to it. Okay, so this was it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.